So where are we now with this bill?
So, this bill is introduced in a very interesting way, and this is through what's called a budget reconciliation process.
And they've done this in order to let the Senate bypass a filibuster, which would require 60 votes. Republicans only have 53 seats in the Senate, so they can pass this bill with a simple majority rather than needing 60 votes as a regular bill.
The requirements for this reconciliation process is that the House and the Senate have to pass the exact same bill.
And they want to pass it by July 4th. So this week is what they're hoping for. But it's unclear that that's going to be possible.
Considering that it's three, four, five, six, even seven bills together, that's a lot to agree on every single fine detail between the Senate and the House.
So, Alicia, what can people do now?
If you are on Medicaid, or if you are receiving your insurance through the ACA marketplace, call, email your state representatives. Ask how they'll respond to these changes to block grants. Ask what your state is planning on doing with some of these changes.
And if you shop for insurance through the marketplace, read the fine print. Be very careful about new exclusions that might come in, especially around access to reproductive care or gender affirming care.
If you're unfortunately one of the people that might lose coverage with this change, you still have rights, you can still appeal, and you can still file state complaints.
So if you're worried, now is the time to speak up. Call your reps because state leaders do respond to public pressure, especially around healthcare, which is so personal.
And that's the overall summary of the major healthcare portions of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. It's sort of a blueprint of who could receive care and who wouldn't under these new guidelines.